Good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to check in to thank all my new Patreon supporters. I am super excited to have you guys on board. This morning, I couldn't wait to create something fun for you, so I decided I needed to get ThreadFollower TinyPost into operation. I created this 4-page document of miniature envelope patterns for you in a variety of sizes. As you can see in the video here, my printer's a bit on the fritz, and I can only print in black and white, but the document has a rainbow of envelope colors, and the airmail pattern is also in color. I made some with pre-printed addresses to and from a few of my animals, and blanks as well if you want to customize the addresses yourself. You'll need a fine tip pen for writing very small, and I'd suggest a 005 Prismacolor or Micron pen. But if you're making these with your kids, I'm sure a sharp pencil will do just fine.